Hello my dear students, welcome back to online class. A very good morning to all my dear students. So in previous class, yesterday, I have discussed the first part of the chapter, the living organisms and their surroundings. It was an introductory class and there I have told about environment and living organisms and their habitat. What is the definition of habitat? Now, and what are the different components of habitats among biotic factor and abiotic factor? And today I'm going to discuss some different types of habitat and with their definitions in details. Okay, students, in previous class we have learned about habitat. Habitat is the place where an organisms live, and a habitat must provide to the organisms the following, which are food, shelter, favorable climatic condition to survive, breed and flourish. Okay. Now types of habitat. There are mainly two types of habitat. One is terrestrial habitat, another is aquatic habitat. Terrestrial habitat means the organisms that lives, grow and propagate on the land are called terrestrial organisms, and their habitat is known as terrestrial habitat, such as man, tiger, tree are called terrestrial organisms, and the habitats are including desert, mountain, grassland, rainforest, polar region. These all are under terrestrial habitat. And now comes to aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat, the organisms that live, breed in water are called aquatic organisms, and their habitat is called aquatic habitat, such as whales, fish are aquatic organisms, and river, oceans, lakes, then marine water or freshwater coastal habitats. These are under aquatic habitats. Okay. Now let's see what is terrestrial habitat in more detail. When an organisms live on land, this place of living is known as terrestrial habitat. Actually, what are the terrestrial habitat? Mainly forest, desert, orchids, tea gardens, mountains are examples of terrestrial habitats. What is the main medium of terrestrial habitat? Main medium is air. So can you differentiate between terrestrial and aquatic? So after I will discuss the aquatic habitat, then I will tell what is the main difference between terrestrial and aquatic habitat. Okay. Now here you can see there are different land habitat or terrestrial habitats such as desert, and there are some organisms found like camel. Okay, and what is the temperature of desert? That is very high temperature and very hot. Then tundra or polar region where there is more snow. Okay, then rainforest, then forest, grassland. These all are coming under different terrestrial habitat. Here you can see all the pictures. Okay, now comes to aquatic habitat. When organisms live in water, this place of living is known as aquatic habitat. Means why they are living in aquatic habitat? Actually, the main reason to live in water is to live or to take shelter there, and they are getting their food, shelter and favorable climatic condition to survive, breed and flourish in aquatic environment. This is the main reason. That's why aquatic organisms lives there. Okay, and what are different types of aquatic habitats such as ponds, lakes, rivers, oceans, etc. These are examples of aquatic habitat. And what is the main medium of aquatic habitat? That is water. So it comes to different aquatic habitats such as oceans, lakes, ponds, rivers, streams. Now, can you differentiate between aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem? I hope you can. Again, I am going to discuss the main difference between aquatic and terrestrial habitat. In aquatic habitat, the organisms live in the aquatic water bodies such as what are the river, oceans, lakes. These are all aquatic habitats, and their main reason they live and breed in water, and the medium where it live, that is the water. So that is the aquatic habitat. In terrestrial habitat, terrestrial organisms that live, grow and propagate on the land, that's why they are called terrestrial organisms, and their habitat is known as terrestrial habitat. Such as you can say water terrestrial organisms such as man, tiger, tree. These all are terrestrial organisms, and here the main medium is air. Okay, I hope you can understood this, and if you have any problem, ask me in the e-portal. Okay, students. In next class, I will discuss more detailed form of this terrestrial and aquatic habitats, and their types. Okay, mainly under terrestrial habitat, what are the different habitat under terrestrial habitat, and what are the different habitat under aquatic habitat, and how do the organisms lives and how they adapt their lifestyle in these two habitat, terrestrial and aquatic habitats or ecosystem. Okay, I hope you understood this video. If you have any problem, ask me in the e-portal. Okay, students, thank you. Have a nice day.